We're here at the One-to-One Mining Conference in London. Can you give us a brief introduction to the company?
Sure. My name's Russell Clark. I'm the CEO of Kasbah Resources. Kasbah has a tin project in Morocco. We've had it for about 8 years, eight or 9 years. The deposit is drilled out. We've done 120 kilometres of drilling. We have a 15 million tonne resource and a 7 million tonne reserve. In July of this year, we produced our bankable feasibility study on the project, which is around a mine, an underground mine that will mine 750,000 tonnes of ore a year to produce 4,500 tonnes of tin. The project's fully permitted. We've got excellent Japanese partners in Toyota Tsusho and Nitetsu Mining, who own 25% of the project. And since July, we've been working on the funding of this project to get it actually up and built. We've engaged Osenko as an engineering company to do some front-end engineering, and we're currently working with our Japanese partners to see if we can secure a Japanese funding package, which would increase the returns of this project significantly. So it's all going according to plan. We expect to have news in the next few months, which should result in us looking to build this project in the second half of next year.
Absolutely. So talk us through the next steps to production.
So the broader timeline is to get this debt funding in place. We would hope to have that done in the first quarter of next year. We'll need to raise equity for the project. We're confident that once the debt package is in place, the equity will follow. We'll then appoint an EPC engineer to build the project and look at coming on stream at the back end of 2020.
So what is the key messages you're trying to get across to investors here at One-to-One? Look,
the news flow is challenging. We produced the feasibility study. It's very positive. The outlook for tin remains strong. We've seen a lot of the base metals fall in recent months. The tin price has fallen, but less than the other ones. The outlook remains strong. We want to finalise this debt package, and you'll see the news flow, and I think people will get a lot of confidence that this project can be built in Morocco, a great, safe jurisdiction in Northern Africa.
Absolutely. So how have you found the One-to-One conference so far?
These One-to-One conferences are great. We've had 2 full days, 20 meetings. Very happy. Thank you.
Well, thank you, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thanks, Rosie.